Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2007 Honda VFR Interceptor 800 25th Anniversary Edition. We're going to take a walk around this midweight sport cruiser and we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This 25th Anniversary Edition is in beautiful condition. Has a passenger seat cowling, as you can see. The body on this is in immaculate condition. The seat, no rips, no tears. As you can see, the tank is in great shape. There is just a little bit of scuffing on the tank. Looks like possibly tank bag that was on it. But other than that, this shows no signs of ever being tipped over or down. As you can see, here's a shot of the front end. Good looking bike, no rock chips, no gouges, nothing like that. Front tires in excellent shape. And here again, the other side of the tank. Like I said, just a little bit of scuffing right in here. Got to be from a tank bag. That's the only thing I could figure. And here's a shot of the back tire. That's in very good condition too. A lot of mileage left on that. And overall, this bike does have low miles on it. I'll show you here. 5,952, so just shy of 6,000 miles on this 07. And as you can hear, it fires right up, runs like a champ. It's just a beautiful looking bike. This bike will be going through our 24-point pre-sale inspection. This will also come with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own the bike from us, you'll get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.